Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best traveling sprinkler you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Orbit 58322 Traveling Sprinkler, Green. Unlike other models we have used and reviewed, the Orbit has a lower profile and more of a racing look than other products. It still operates on a gear and pressure system. A pressurized hose enables the gears to move, which drives the sprinkler. However, unlike other models, you have a 3-speed option. This is great for larger gardens, or people that don't want their garden boggy with an excess of water. The component parts within the Orbit are also constructed of plastic, but they seem to hold up better than the Nelson. This in part could be due to the different design and different placement of features. You still have the ability to set the distance you want the water sprayed. This is ideal regardless of your garden size. The Orbit can pull up to 200 feet of hose behind it, but if you can reduce this, it will be better for the longevity of your appliance. The more hose that it pulls behind it, the more you will find the gears grind down faster. It also may result in bogging in your garden as it will be moving slower. Pores. Heavy construction. Can pull up to 200 foot behind it. 3-speed setting. 15 to 55 foot easy to set spray setting. Automatic shut-off. Cons. Can become bogged down if you overwater your garden. Number 2. Nelson Traveling Sprinkler Rain Train 13,500 square feet. The Nelson Traveling Sprinkler is a heavy cast iron traveling sprinkler system that is built to last. The Rain Train is one of the original products, and their tried and tested method gives you a product that will always consistently perform. The cast iron construction ensures that it is heavy enough to be able to withstand the pressure found within the hose, to make sure that it can move along it at a steady rate. The Nelson can spray water a variety of distances from 15 feet to 55 feet depending on the area that you need covered. This ability to set the water amount and distance gives you a tool that you can be sure is up to the job of watering your lawn. Unlike other lighter models, the Rain Train won't get stuck on uneven surfaces and will continue to plod along your lawn like nothing can hold it back. You have the ability to set how fast Nelson does his job. The 2-speed setting gives you the option for a quick job, or one that will take more time. This, coupled with the fact that it can move up to 200 feet of hose, will ensure that even the largest of gardens are covered. In addition, pores. Cast iron construction gives you a product that will last. Product features. Cast iron body. Chip-resistant paint. Adjustable aluminum spray arms. 3 speeds, high, low, neutral. Automatic shutoff. Water spray diameter between 15 to 55 feet. Cons. Make sure the sprinkler arms are on tight to ensure correct function. Number 3. Melner 4501 Traveling Sprinkler Lawn Rescue 13500 SQ, FT. The Melner is one of the few products that come with high traction wheels to ensure that it keeps going, regardless of whether that is up a hill or across boggy and stony terrain. This results in a little water sprinkler that will keep on going. To maximize these features, make sure you refrain from attaching too much hose, or you risk it becoming stuck. The water spray is easy to set with the Melner. If you want a large spray, all you need to do is make sure that the sprinklers are facing up to give the water a wide path. If you want to reduce the distance the water travels, simply turn them down toward the ground. If you have a narrower garden or want to water your path, this makes life far easier than moving a stationary sprinkler around every 30 minutes. The automatic stop feature makes sure you can leave the Melner to do its job and be sure that it turns itself off. The ease in which you can set up this little sprinkler to do exactly what you want is a big selling point. You can set it to spray as much or as little as you want over a large or small area. It is ideal for every type of garden size and will continue to work until the job is done. Pores. Cast iron body gives you a sprinkler system that will last for years. You can easily adjust the diameter of water spray. Variable speed settings ensure that you don't get your garden oversaturated. Automatic stop feature. All-terrain wheels make sure the Melner keeps going. Cons. For the best results, do not expect it to pull 200 feet of hose as it can stop the Melner working. Number 4. Waitex WX44 Traveling Sprinkler and Sprinkler Hose Bundle. The Waitex is one of the few products that can operate on as little PSI as 20. Most water sprinklers need a high level of pressure in order to travel across your lawn. The Waitex will work even in the lowest pressure areas, ensuring that the lawn gets much needed water. The water will travel up to 13,500 square feet, and the fact that you can change the path of the Waitex results in a product that will be able to cover most of your lawn with ease. Adjusting the diameter of the water flow is easy to do. Simply adjust the sprinklers on top of the unit to find your perfect spread. There are only 2 speed settings on the Waitex, but this isn't to its detriment as you are more reliant on water pressure to ensure speed. If you live in an area with high water pressure, the Waitex will move faster than an area with low. Either way, you will find a setting for the job at hand. The all-terrain wheels are an excellent addition to the product. With a medium weight hose it will pull it up a gentle slope, and the chances of it becoming bogged down is limited. Pores will operate well even in low water pressure areas. All-terrain wheels limit the chance of it becoming bogged down. 13,500 square feet of area can be covered by the water jets. Easy to set up to your requirements. Heavy duty and built to last. Cons: the Waitex will work better with a medium gauge hose. Number 5. Nelson 1865 Rain Train Cast Iron Traveling Lawn Sprinkler. The Nelson 1865 can bring about generous rain to every plant in your garden in the driest weather. Its standard tractor system will drive the sprinkler along the 200-foot path of the hose that it is connected to and distribute water to ambient trees on its way. Together with such an enormous traveling length, it is capable of moisturizing a massive expanse of nearly 14,000 square feet. While your yard is patchy due to the lack of precision of your current sprinkler, this Nelson 1865 will not let you down. With a few simple actions, you can set up the device to work at different speeds to make sure that all spots can receive water. Designed to operate at 2 motor speeds, high and low, the Nelson Rain Train Auto Shutoff 1865 Traveling Tractor Sprinkler travels at approximately 37 feet per hour on high and 21 feet per hour on low. It travels along with a hose on a preset route like an electric model train except with a hose as the rails. This unit features a weatherproof cast iron construction to provide efficient and long-lasting performance. Thus, it can water up to 13,500 SQ/ft through covering a lesser area of 11,900 SQ/ft to ensure effective performance. This model weighs in at only 18 pounds, making it easy to assemble with no tools needed. Furthermore, pros: offers uniform distribution of water. It is very easy to use, just set and forget. There is an auto shut-off feature to prevent water wastage. Seems sturdy and well made. Cons: this unit is a bit pricey, but you get good value for your money. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.